सुपर डांसर गेट्स लॉन्च्ड। यस फ्रेंड्स, इस शो में दिखाया जाएगा बच्चों के डांस का हुनर। आफ्टर क्रिएटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ बज़ इन द पास्ट फ्यू डेज, ये शो का लॉन्च भी जबरदस्त रहा। इसे होस्ट करेंगे द स्पॉन्टेनियस एंड एनर्जेटिक ऋत्विक धनजानी और जजेस की पैनल में है एस कोरियोग्राफर गीता कपूर, अमेजिंग डायरेक्टर अनुराग बासु एंड द झटका मटका क्वीन शिल्पा शेट्टी कुंद्रा। Ritwik, you've been hosting dance reality shows back to back. So what do you have to say about it?
Yes, back with dance reality shows. This time it's different is because it's a kids dance reality show. और I think बहुत समय हो गया यार इंडिया में we haven't had a kids dance reality show. And Super Dancer promises to be one of those and promises to be one of the better reality shows. क्योंकि Sony is also known for giving you the greatest of the dance reality shows as we know. Boogie Woogie tha, Kaboom tha, and all of that. It ran for years and years. So I think it was high time that Sony needed another a dance reality show, especially for kids. I think पिछले 2 DID season 2 के बाद से अब तक कुछ नहीं आया ना बच्चों के लिए. So it's been about 3 years. So 3 साल के बाद there is a show coming up like this. So it's all the more exciting. Plus the format is fantastic. So yeah, it's really good.
What is the one thing that keeps you inclined towards anchoring?
It's very simple. I'll tell you what. As long as when it comes to this genre of non-fiction or hosting and everything, it's as good as like for example आप किसी fiction artist से पूछें कि आप यही शो 3 साल तक क्यों कर रहे हैं, because वो शो उनको पसंद है, वो शो में वो अपने आप को देखते हैं। 7-7 8-8 साल people do the same thing यार। So मुझे लगता है कि वो monotony तोड़ने के लिए if there is something else also that I like, and I mean I can always do fiction and I'm always open for fiction, but this is a zone, this is a genre which is my space. और मैं इसको इतनी आसानी से नहीं छोड़ना चाहता because I love it. I love being on stage, I love hosting and I love talking to people, I love entertaining people. So tell me, कौन नहीं चाहेगा to get paid for doing what you do, so what you love, so yeah.
As it is a show with little kids and kids are अपनी मर्जी के मालिक, so how do you handle their different moods?
मैं सच बताऊँ ना, मैं बच्चों के साथ बहुत बच्चों की तरफ बहुत इंक्लाइंड हूँ। तो आई थिंक जब ये ऐसी सिचुएशन आती थी जब शिल्पा मैम थोड़ी सी उदासी हो जाती थी, तो हम सबका मूड ऐसा हो जाता है यार, व्हाट टू डू नाउ, वी हैव टू जस्ट इट्स ऑल ऑन अस। आई मीन उसको किस तरह से माहौल को वापस लेकर आना, दैट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब, but that's exactly what we're here for. So yeah.
Have you been experimenting with your looks for the show?
Yes, I am. Not right now because I have been wanting to do this for a very long time now. आपने मुझे ये शायद दाढ़ी के बाद I haven't seen myself like this for 2 years now. So probably something else. I have to keep innovating. I have to keep doing new things. And I think I promise you, like आप मेरे last 2 shows देखेंगे as an anchor. So India's Best Dramebaz was completely different. It was in the zone of kids. Then there was So You Think You Can Dance with Moni. So that was another वो अलग पागलपंती थी. So I can only promise you something different every show that I do. Every time that I come on screen, there has to be something different about me. So that's exactly what I'm planning and hoping for.
Your fans would love to see you back on a daily soap again. So what's the one thing that will get you back to acting in fiction space?
Script. As simple as that. Script. A great script which is never done before, which is not touched before. A topic which just catches my attention. It's as simple as that. Yes, I mean we were still creatively. I'm not too sure about that if I can talk about it right now. No, so I don't know much about it, to be honest. So yeah, there will be somebody. Of course, there will be somebody else who might not be co-hosting with me, but also will be there in bits and pieces. So that's exactly what it's going to be like. But I'm not too sure exactly on the creative aspect because that's a call that they're simultaneously taking as we're going ahead with the show.
So guys, shows के प्रोमोज में बच्चों का डांसिंग टैलेंट काफी दमदार दिख रहा है। अब देखना ये होगा कि ये डांस रियलिटी शो दूसरे डांस शो से कितना अलग होगा। For more entertainment, do subscribe India Forums on YouTube. Ashima Chavda, cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, I'm Shilpa Shetty Kundra and you're watching me on India Forums.